Do you have a t-shirt with a low neckline that you'd like to raise up? You can do this with the help of your sewing machine. This tutorial will show you how. First, you need to decide how much to raise the neckline. For my example, I'll do 1 inch. Please note, this method will shorten the overall length of the t-shirt when finished. In preparation, I'll put a mark on the sleeve at the shoulder seam and will also mark on whether it's the right or left sleeve. Next, remove the sleeves. The best way is with a seam ripper. Cutting the sleeves out is faster, but you need to be careful that you don't cause any damage or end up with sleeves of 2 different lengths. Once the sleeves are removed, turn the t-shirt wrong side out and lay it flat. From the shoulder seam, measure down your amount to shorten and use chalk or fabric marker to make a line. Put pins at each shoulder in order to hold the front and back of the t-shirt together. Make sure that the front and back neckline line up and the armhole, pinning those areas first and then easing in between. At your sewing machine, sew on the marked lines. Don't forget to backstitch. At this point, you can try on the t-shirt to make sure the neckline has been raised enough. If it's good, cut off the excess fabric, leaving about a 1/4 inch past the stitches. Because we cut off some of the armhole at the top of the t-shirt, the armhole is now too small for our sleeves. Make a mark at the bottom of the armhole, the same measurement you used before, and then blend a line up to the side of the original armhole. Do this on both armholes, trying to make them as equal as possible. Pin the front and back of the armhole together to trim off the extra fabric, leaving at least a 1/4 inch past your new armhole line. Then pin your sleeves into the armhole, right sides together, making sure to match the mark with the shoulder seam and the sleeve seam with the side seam. Also, the sleeves should go in the same armhole they were taken from. Sew the sleeve seams. You can use an overcast stitch or, like me, a stretch stitch. I'm also sewing a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Try on the t-shirt to see where the back of the neckline sits. If you're raising the t-shirt an inch or less, the t-shirt is probably fine as is. If it rides up a little high in the back, measure the amount to be lowered and then use a seam ripper to separate the neckband from the back neckline only. At the center back, measure down the amount and blend a line to the original neckline. Trim t-shirt fabric to lower the back neckline and then re-sew the neckband in place with the 1/4 inch seam allowance. After this, your t-shirt should be good to go. Here we have the before and after, and you can see the neckline is higher and you can't tell an alteration has been made. Our book, Professor Pincushion's Beginner Guide to Sewing, Garment Making for Nervous Newbies, is now available to order. Go to professorpincushion.com/books or click on the link in the description to see a list of vendors where you can purchase it.